So today we have this type of madhani and chaati. Here you can see in my screen. Here we have this type of madhani making. Here we just rotate it down and you just see this type of beautiful piece. Here we have the sliding mechanism, as you can see. Here we have the sliding mechanism. We just welded out here, welding here and welding here and welded here. So in this video we found that the dimensions of this madhani, so that everyone should have to make and use as a reference. So let's see the dimensions of this madhani. So first of all, we just see the locally known as its karonji, and here is the base for this madhani where the clay pot is placed. You can see the outer dimensions. Here it's 10 inches, and from the hair it's 12 inches, as you can see. At first we just see here we have this 10 inches, and there is also 10 inches, and the length of this 2x2 square piece is 12 inches, and the inner square is of 6 inches. Here we have the 6 inches inner, and the outer is 10 inches. Here you can see the closer look, as you can see on your screen. So take down there, and from here you can see the second part, the main part of this madhani. Here first of all we have this. Here is the 4 inches of flower, as you can see. This is 4 inches, and the depth is around 2 inches. As you can see, it's 2 inches. Here we have 2 inches, and the length of the metal rod is 18 inches. From here to here it's 18 inches. So the length of this plate is around, the circumference is 9 inches. Here the outer plate is of 9 inches, and the thickness is of 1 inches. It's 1 inches. The length of the roller is of 8 inches. It's 8 inches. If half inch is border, the other 7 inches is of running of thread. And the length of this pillar from the plate is of 17 inches from here to here, and the length of this square piece is of 8.5 inches from here to here, and the next part we have, it's 6 inches from here to here. So the square piece of 1.5 inches of square, 1.5 inches is the pillar, and the length of this wood piece is of 9 inches. It's 9 inches, and the thickness is 3x4, and here we have it's 2 inches of breadth of this wood. The holes are of 27 mm. It's 27 mm. The grouted pieces is also of 27 mm. So these rounded parts are of 6 inches. The total length from plate to the this is of 17 inches from here to here. We have used this type of threaded rod here. That is of thickness about 10 to 11 mm. We have used. We just throw out the hole and welded here. So here you can see we have used this shape here. Here we just this here is the port is attached, and then we have this rounded thread mechanism we used. So here you can see the dimensions. If you want to copy, you just see these dimensions, and we just see the closer look of this wooden chaati madhani. Thank you. Is the closer look of this.